This problem is related to finding direction of equilibrium reaction. Let us try yourself. So we have an equilibrium between normal butane and isobutane. Equilibrium constant is 1.732. Now a mixture of normal butane and isobutane is taken, and the mixture composition is represented by point P. So on x-axis we have concentration of normal butane, on y-axis we have concentration of isobutane. This angle is 75 degree. Point P represents mixture composition. So we can calculate QC value, that is reaction quotient. For this equilibrium, reaction quotient is concentration of isobutane divided by concentration of normal butane. Now let us say this distance is x, that is concentration of normal butane at point P is x, and this distance is y, that is concentration of isobutane is y. So we can write QC is equals to y by x. Y by x is also equals to tan 75 degree. So in this triangle we can write tan 75 is equals to y by x. So QC is equals to tan 75 degree. So we can write tan 45 plus 30. Now we can use mathematics. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan 45 degrees 1. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. So this is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 is 1.732 So this value is 3.73. So this is QC. KC value is 1.73. So QC is greater than KC. So we have to decrease the QC. We have to reduce the concentration of product. So reaction will go in the backward direction, so that QC is equals to KC finally at equilibrium. So reaction will go in backward direction. So here I am using, if QC is less than KC, reaction will go in forward direction. If QC is greater than KC, reaction will go in backward direction. And if QC is equals to KC, reaction is at equilibrium.